Are you about to be going to court to litigate a case and you're really nervous about taking the stand? My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for a little over 7 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit more about what to do when you're in court, especially if you're about to be giving testimony. Um, this can be a very, very nerve wracking experience. I understand that. If I'm being honest with you, and I think most lawyers would agree, we even get nervous a lot of times going into these types of situations, regardless of how long we've been doing it. Like I said, I've been doing this a little over 7 years, and I still get nervous anytime I'm about to have to go and actually like put on a case and take testimony and things like that. So it's understandable that you would be nervous as well. The most important thing, the biggest thing that I can tell you is it's not, it doesn't need to be an interrogation, especially when it's testimony between you and your attorney. It needs to be a conversation. Don't look at the audience. Don't look at the judge. Don't look at the opposing party. Don't look at the opposing counsel. Just look at your lawyer and have a conversation back and forth. Your lawyer is going to ask you questions. You're going to answer those questions as best you can. If you don't understand those questions, that's okay. Just say, "Hey, I don't really understand what you're saying. Can you help me out? Can you word it a little bit differently?" If your lawyer's going too fast, say, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch all of that. Can you please slow it down for me?" It's a conversation, and absolutely, your attorney wants you to be able to present the testimony to the best of your ability. So don't be afraid to tell your attorney if they're not helping you get there. Whether it's you don't understand the wording of the question, or you don't like you're not comfortable with how fast it's going. You can always say, "Can you please ask me again? Can you please slow down?" Or if you don't really know the answers to the question, you can just say, "I'm not really sure how to answer that for you." It's okay to not know. It's okay to not be sure. Just let your attorney know so that way we can work with you to help get this testimony out in the way that's going to make you look as best as possible. But don't worry if you don't think it's going well. Your attorney's been doing this for a very long time. We know what we're doing. We've trained in law school for this. And if we don't think that it's going the direction that it needs to go, we will absolutely make sure that we redirect you and get you back on track. If you have questions about this, or if you have a case coming up and you feel like you need some help getting prepared for it and you need an attorney with experience in how to get to help you through testimony, give us a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy.